friends, welcome back to another episode of Everything Music. I hope you're doing well, living and loving life with music. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Franca. I share on Everything Music to help keep your experience with music fresh and cool. So I hope you stay, you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload. So this is episode 2 of behind the scenes of how I make my covers happen. And if you haven't watched episode 1 on how to record covers, you can check it out here. So, as you can tell from the title of the video, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to choose a song to cover. And I know it can be very overwhelming because sometimes you think, oh, I have so many songs I want to sing, like it's so hard to narrow down to one. And sometimes you feel like you don't have any song to sing, and yet you have a phone full of playlists and you listen to music each and every day. So this is how I basically choose my songs. So every time I encounter a piece of music that I'm vibing with, I usually put them in 3 categories so that I can figure out my schedule of recording and practicing. And don't worry, we're going to be talking about practicing in another video. So the first category is trending music. So these are songs that are trending, and this means that they will put you up in the social media algorithm. Now, you can check all the music charts that you know out there and check which song is getting the most attention. Now, when you do a cover of this song, most likely you're going to increase your reach for your audience because people are searching for this music. And so when they search for it, they find another version, which is a cover, which can be yours. So these songs are very time sensitive, but then again, you have to consider that you have to memorize it, you have to be creative, you have to make it your own so that you can stand out, especially with the fact that when new music is released, so many people want to jump on it and do their own version of that music. So for me, even if I do trending music, I will do them like maybe even months after they have been released, because for me, I enjoy the process more than even the posting, and so I usually tend to take my time with covers, and I really have to vibe with a song before I cover it, because basically what I usually do is I cover songs that I truly love. The next category is my playlist or archives. So these are songs that you're very familiar with. These are songs that I have been in my playlist for a very long time. I have performed them in different places. I have memorized them back to back. These are songs that I'm very comfortable with. If you tell me, Franca, come, I want you to sing this song right now, right here, I will just start singing because I am very comfortable with it. I am familiar with it. I know it, I know everything about it. So what I do is I record a familiar song as I practice another complex song. And this helps me with consistency because I don't have to spend a lot of time in practicing, because once you do familiar songs, you minimize on your practice sessions. So you get a balance in your schedule of practicing and recording. The next category is music that focuses on your skill. So these are songs that basically focus on your musical growth. Whether it is singing or playing an instrument, there are some things that you want to learn. You want your vocal technique to grow, your performance technique to grow. You need to choose music that will fuel that growth. Whether you're working on your vocal agility, whether you're working on increasing your vocal range, your breathing technique, or your performance technique, these songs are the ones which are going to show you your progress. So once you're learning a skill, you put a song to it. So these songs take quite a while to practice because you cannot say that you can master breathing in 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, and so these songs tend to take a lot of time to practice. And once you do them, you can look back and say, wow, I've actually progressed. I've grown in terms of my vocal agility, or my vocal range has increased, or maybe I feel like I perform better, or I feel my voice. You learn so many things about your voice and performance through these songs. I usually do a complex song maybe once or twice a month. That depends. If maybe I'm learning 2 techniques and they're all in different songs, I will do 2 covers of that complex song. But if I am learning 1 technique and I'm just narrowing down to that one. I will do one complex song per month. I'm telling you, when it's about your skill, you will take your time and you will want that progress. And so you can't rely on complex song to be like consistent, because if you're going to upload one song per month, you see, you need familiar songs to be consistent and you need trending music to reach your audience. So it creates that balance. For my playlist and archives, I can use 3 days to practice and be ready to record. For trending music, it all depends. If I'm vibing with a song, I might take 3 days, I might take a week, I might take 2 weeks. It all depends with how I'm feeling when it comes to trending music, because if a music is trending and I'm not vibing with, it's hard for me to record it. As for the complex songs, a month. Let me say at least a month. I usually take at least a month. There are songs that I have taken almost 5 months to like practice, because I really want it to be good, and also because I am focusing on my own personal music growth. So as you can tell, I am quite a planner, but in all, what I can say is do what pleases your heart. If you're vibing with the music and you really feel you can express it well, and you feel like you have practiced it and you want to share it to the world, do it. You don't have to follow all these categories. All you have to do is listen to your heart. If a music speaks to you and you feel you can express it in a different way, or you just want to share it with people, just do it. Share it. Be creative, go crazy, don't limit yourself, you know, show us new music. There's so much music out there that we've never listened to. You see, you can be the one to like hook us up to like new music and fresh music, and expose us to all these great artists around Africa and around the world. So I hope this video helped you, and if you did, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. Share with friends and family, you know, help them take that one step to sharing their talent. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.